There you go. Go again. You can go now. You were gonna fall so hard. Just fall backwards if you're gonna fall. Holy shit. Oh, this is gonna end in tears.
My feet are so cold.
Well, you're standing on ice. What the fuck do you expect? Also, you should have your shoes on because I just realized you have no traction now.
It's fine.
This is not fine. Just don't impale yourself on a reed.
Oh, frog.
What?
Frog.
Oh shit, yeah. Hello, Froggy. Okay, that worked.
Get Brody. He has the stuff on so he can walk out there. Ooh.
Brody would do something stupid like run and break his face. And I ain't climbing out there to get him.
But it'd be funny.
Yeah, but I don't want to climb out there and get him.
I think you think that